In sunny San Diego, there stands a warm and welcoming home. A residence belonging to a family that has played a significant role in American history, the Bush family. Inside, you'll find President George W. Bush's paintings and cherished family photos, quiet reminders of legacy, leadership, and the meaning of home. When the homeowners decided to upgrade their comfort system, they chose Ecoer Smart Heat Pump. Why Ecoer? Because true luxury isn't about what you see, it's about what you feel. It's the system that runs so quietly you forget it's there. It's consistent comfort, season after season. But ultimately, this story isn't about status. It's about something universal, creating a comfortable, reliable space for the people who matter most. No matter where you live, comfort is personal. Ecoer Smart Comfort, trusted in U.S. presidential family homes.